It's shoot day, the day that you stress over and fret over. Finally here. I'm glad that it's here. I'm not feeling all bugged out. I feel good, I feel prepared thus far. You know what I feel though? I feel well hungry. Oh my god. I wish I could have get some more sleep, but you don't know how it goes. I'm just glad that shoot day is here. Yep. Director mode on. Let's get it. Yeah, we're getting breakfast on the shoot, but that's like maybe an hour away from now. Can't just pop up on the scene hungry and desperate, dog. We are fully ready now, you know. We have everything in the car. We load up. Everything on my checklist check off. Feel ready. Have my mask and thing. Call everybody. Yeah man, so yeah, they gave me a new mask. I'm usually a mask delinquent, not deliberately, just because my face is big. But yeah, shoot there, we're there. Reach. Bus. Lots of people. Yeah. This is producer visibility. Okay. I'm probably going to need like three body boxes of pepper, that's about it. These guys usually do more work than the director. Big man thing. You see the director is the celebrity of the set. But you see the producer is the real parent of the set. And then put everything together. Alright, so see? Effectively, who is not here is just a security. Him call the shots. I need everybody in the bus. I'll just wait till it's my time to run. Yeah, so we reach on set, you know. It's recording, right? Yeah, it is. We're on set at this lovely waterfront beach house. I think she said it's the only beachfront house on this side of the north coast. So, you know, very, very lovely place. Our music is clean, so we can use this nice, lovely place here. And yeah, we're running a little bit behind time, but due to how padded the schedule is, definitely have G-Wayne over here, so set up the machine for a shot. Oh, we have, if you're a returning visitor to the vlog, you know them man, yeah? SHAQ Brooks, you see me?
Yeah, that's a very nice camera.
Right?
But that's the same 18.
You see it before, man.
I have.
Look at all this seaweed though. Oh my god. That's not good. I think that's a solvable problem, you know. I'm going to have my editor probably just do a scene replace. It should be possible. But you know, a lot of hard-working people on set right now. No music video is a island man thing, so yeah. Yeah, so remember how I told you that we were behind time? We're now ahead of time now. You see Ali there, you see Victoria there, on set. So I have on the easy rig now. You see me? This keep camera steady, strong. But yeah, everything going well so far. A third of today's shoot is done. Everything going smoothly. You know, stuff looking good. And I'm gonna dive into this next shot right here. We have SHAQ shooting the vlog right now, and we're there on location, Hell Shop. You see me? All or nothing video. Jamaica set. The bad designer. Show the bad design. I'll show them where, yeah. Always on beat. That's a stylist today. So we're doing our 1/3 into the shoot. So we're going into our second scene. So I'm just doing a little bit of logistic catch up. You see the producer there? I really feel
on the go.
Yeah, so you know, you can see how much work got into one day. Too much.
No.
There, yeah, and then we just go running it over here. You know, it's a really nice, easy performance. You see these window shades right here. Gonna make the light punch through them. Really nice, soft, gentle. Does something to work with the overall music video. You dig? While we wait, see if we can just go on the beach. Yeah, over that side is not very desirable. The way you can frame a video over there so it can look good, but God no. Free the seaweed there. Cheese and peas. The whole bed. Yo. So the way I just ripped off my entire back doing a running scene. Oh my god. Of course, Victoria wants to be in the vlog. So where are you, Victoria?
Hi,
This is Victoria. She's doing BTS for us today, photography and video. You know, she's Busy's favorite right now. It's Makeda, PA. She's doing the most right now on the set and things. See it there? She has proof. It's not cloud. Show you how we're doing the most, car. Look. Look. Yeah, like a drop. Look at how we have Ali in a high place as per usual, and we have Lindsey up in a high place, hanging up these dope furnishes for our performance scene. These lovely furnishes make me feel like I'm not lame director. I just want to mention that it was not my intention or my idea to have these young ladies on the roof. I asked them to hang up something and I just didn't know that was the only way, so they're up there. So for some reason the power cable for the Blackmagic is not working, so we have to use the built-in batteries. So the way we normally power the Blackmagic is from external batteries like this right here, but for some reason the cable that normally runs from the Blackmagic to this battery is suddenly not working. And you say, oh yo, you have batteries, that's good, but the natural battery life of the Blackmagic is horrible. I think it's like 30 minutes with one battery, so I have to just be rushing through the shots. But guess what? I normally rush through my shots. So here we have the producer HABIBI playing the role of
I'm just an art department group right now.
Yes. So that's what when you say Wengi Fire, that's what it means.
Multi-talented, many hats. It means many hats in Swahili.
What?
Yeah, that's why you know, so we finish on time, you know. That's all I want, you know. So we finish on time, wrap shoot, here dumping my own footage. Director dumping my own footage. Back to the days of videography. But yeah, everybody I pack up little. It was a good shoot. The Sunfly them start forward out. But yeah, can't complain. Great crew, great attitude, good shoot. Next spot, I have to just deal with Cali.
Still up, still prepping gear for what I would say is tomorrow, but it's really today now. And yeah, fun stuff is that this cable for my camera isn't working. Well, I hope it's the cable. I'm gonna get a new cable tomorrow and hope that it does what it's supposed to. But if not, I have to pack an extra camera in case I have to just go full Sony tomorrow. Yeah. After a whole shoot day, I'm still up at 2 in the morning when I just wish I could sleep. Today's shoot though went really well, barring 1 and 2 technological delays. It was a really good shoot. I couldn't ask for much more from the shoot, and I had a great crew. Big up everybody. I'm gonna get everybody's IG links and put the link in the description, so if you're curious about somebody's role or who they are, you should be able to look in the description of whatever video this is and find it. So if you're seeing this clip right now, it means you've reached the end of the video. This may be a part of a series, so check if there's a video before or after coming for this video. Just stay tuned because it is a whole series of things for the next week. It's one big story and I want you guys to be a part of it. So just keep safe. Thanks for tuning in and continue to bless up yourself.